Conor McGregor's dog died. Hugo. Conor McGregor abandoned Hugo. Conor McGregor abandoned Hugo. There was a time when Hugo would lay in the bed with Conor McGregor. It was the time when Conor McGregor and this dog were inseparable. Conor gave a heartfelt goodbye to his four-legged friend minutes ago. So he's so heartbroken to say, my dog Hugo passed away. Someone called Conor McGregor and they said, Conor, Hugo passed away. That dog's been in a kennel. Conor McGregor. That dog's because of Conor McGregor. That dog it's high likelihood that dog has been in a cage. Conor McGregor abandoned that dog.
Fuck you, Conor McGregor!